Good morning guys. For today's video, we were going to test our knowledge on reading questions about agile and waterfall. Okay, first question. What strength of the waterfall model that each phase is well defined, making it easier to manage and document? The answer is clear structure. Correct. Clear structure. Okay. Number 2 question. Name of one key agile methodology. Okay, I repeat. Name one key agile methodology. Okay, what is this? Extreme programming. Extreme programming. Here, extreme programming. Okay. Next. Which phase of the waterfall model involves coding? Which phase of waterfall model involves coding? Implementation. Yeah, correct. Implementation. Okay. Next. It is an agile model that iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments is also called blank. Sprints. Correct. Sprints. Next question. What are the two models that has two distinct approaches of software development, each with its own methodologies, strengths, and weaknesses? Okay. I know this is our topic. Waterfall and agile. Okay, correct. Waterfall and agile. What type of approach does the waterfall model follows? Linear and sequential. Okay, linear and sequential. That's the answer. Next question is, what is the primary focus of the Kanban methodology? Okay, the questions here. The Kanban methodology. Okay. Pass. I don't know the answer. Visualizing and tracking progress. That's the answer. The next question. What key agile methodologies that uses a visual board to track progress and workflow? Okay. What key agile methodologies that uses a visual board to track progress and workflow? Kanban. Wow. Kanban. Next question. What waterfall model phase that used for verifying that components work together? Was integration and testing. Mali ta dito. Integration and testing. Last question. What does the agile model emphasizes? What does the agile model emphasizes? Pass. The answer, collaboration, customer feedback, and adaptive planning. Okay, that is our first trial. Okay. Next, which phase of the waterfall model involves coding? Okay. Waterfall and agile? No, wrong. It is an agile model that iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments is also called blank. Okay, what is this? Sprint. Okay, sprint. Next is, what are the two models that has two distinct approaches in software development? So the answer is waterfall and agile. Okay, check. Next is, what type of approach does the waterfall model follows? Okay, linear and sequential. Okay, the answer, linear and sequential. What is the primary focus of Kanban methodology? Okay, visualizing and tracking progress. That is the primary focus of Kanban.